Hi everyone, it's Ashley Layer with Colorescience, and today I wanted to give everyone some tips and tricks on how amazing our SPF 50 color balms are. So the cool thing with these is they're also backed with EnviroScreen technology, so offering that same protection from blue light, pollution, reducing free radicals in the skin that the SPF 50 brush or our SPF 50 face shield and body shield does, except it's in a fun color component that you can add to your makeup regimen or use as a pop of color for your lip, your cheeks, and your eyes. So I know before we launched these, right, my blush, my lipstick, my eyeshadow would not have the capability to actually help my skin and better my skin and protect my skin from the environmental stressors that EnviroScreen technology is protecting us from. So the fact that I have that and a fun pop of color is really exciting. And what I wanted to show today was just kind of how I use them. So how maybe a different way that you guys could start trying them or using them at home. So they come in 3 fun shades. We have blush, bronze, and berry. And what I like to do for my morning routine is, so I have my All Calm on, I have my face shield SPF 50 on, and then what I do is I take the Color Balm in bronze and I go from my cheek up to my temple, and I kind of do this just fun stripe, and then I'll take my finger and I'll start blending it in just gently to get the desired look that I want. So this is how I'll wear the bronze one, just to give me that fun, nice bronze shade. And then what I do after that, and you can go heavier or darker or lighter, however you want. It can be layered. So you could do like 1 stripe and blend it in. You could do 2. You could use a makeup brush and get more blending in. It's really dependent on how you like to do it. But I find that just doing a stripe, 2 passes, and then blending in with my finger gives me that bronze look that I like. And then I'll take the blush SPF 50 Color Balm and I'll kind of wear it on the edges, and I'll use it for my pop of color on my eyeshadow, just at the top here. And I'll do the same thing. I use my finger to blend it, and that's how I get the color component for my eyeshadow. And then I'll take the berry one, and same component, I use the edge of it. And you can get this really fun pop of color with the berry on your lip. And the best part about these two is because it's that SPF 50 UVA and UVB protection and broad spectrum, that I'm getting this high level protection on my lips and on my eyes, when the eyeshadow I would use before, or maybe even the lipstick I would use before, wouldn't be able to offer me that level of protection. And we know skin cancer is on the rise, particularly around the eye area and on the lip area. So the fact that this is a 50, I love. They come in these 3 fun different shades. They're versatile. You can do a full contouring look if you wanted by doing the bronze kind of as you're bronzing, and then put the blush on just the apples of your cheek. You can play with them in so many different ways, and they're simple, they're easy, you really can't go wrong with applying it. So I'm hoping that these tips on how I wear it will help you guys love them even more. Thank you.